Hi guys, so वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल एंड अगर आप लोग मुझे नहीं जानते हैं तो प्लीज़ वॉच द लास्ट वीडियो. So in this video we will discuss that what we will learn by this channel, right? So our what is the aim of our channel? To get you placement ready, right? And placement के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा important क्या होता है? Yes, right. Data structures and algorithms. तो आप लोग बोलोगे कि डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड एल्गोरिथम्स तो सभी लोग पढ़ाते हैं. व्हाट इज डिफरेंट इन योर चैनल? So basically, we have a concise list of data structures and algorithms जो अगर आप ढंग से कर लोगे, if you understand it properly, आपके most of the interviews will clear for sure. So yeah. So these are some of the data structures that I will teach in this course, including arrays, linked list, stack, queue, binary tree, binary search tree, trie, heap, graph. And what is our plan? So after each lecture, आप लोगों को कुछ problems दिए जाएंगे to solve to get more understanding of that topic. और वो प्रॉब्लम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस भी किया जाएगा क्योंकि हो सकता है कुछ लोग अटक जाएं तो टू क्लियर देयर डाउट. एंड अगर किसी को उसके बाद भी कुछ डाउट्स रहते हैं तो अल्टरनेट वीक्स वी विल हैव लाइव सेशन. And so here I have a standard list of standard problems based on data structures. तो ये एक लिस्ट है. सो दिस इज नॉट द फाइनल लिस्ट. वी कैन स्टिल ऐड द प्रॉब्लम्स हियर इफ यू गाइस वांट समथिंग स्पेसिफिक. So in arrays we have swapping, sliding window problem, rotating an array, sorting, k the smallest element, binary search, searching an element, merging two arrays. So remember guys, binary search and sorting is very important for interviews. Then we have linked list. So in linked list, we will learn how to traverse the linked list, insertion and deletion in linked list, merge linked list, sorting, finding middle element, detect and find loop, double linked list, circular linked list. These are basically different kind of linked list. And next we have a stack. So we have a stack traversal, prefix to postfix conversion. So these are basically a notation, prefix, postfix, infix. So we will learn about it in stacks when we are learning stacks. And then we have balanced parenthesis problem, find next greater element problem, expression evaluation, largest rectangular area, and histogram. This last one is a very popular lead code problem. And expression evaluation is also very commonly asked problem. Then in queue we have priority queue, LRU cache implementation, page replacement algorithms. So page replacement is a very important topic of OS which you guys should definitely learn for interviews. And LRU cache guys, ये क्वेश्चन मुझसे 2 बार पूछा जा चुका है. सो आई विल टेल यू अ लिटिल स्टोरी अबाउट इट. I interviewed for a very big company last year. उसमें मुझसे फर्स्ट राउंड में द इंटरव्यू आस्क्ड मी LRU कैश. मुझे नहीं आता था उस टाइम. So I gave him some vague solution. Then actually he was very nice. उसने मुझे बताया कि कैसे with the help of Q we can solve this problem. And what happened was मतलब 2 months back when I was interviewing again, so the interviewer asked me the same question. It was a different company, but the same question was asked to me. So this time I was able to solve. So this was something very fortunate for me. So yeah. Then we have binary tree, binary search tree, and remember guys, these are very important data structures for the interview purpose. We have different kind of traversals in binary trees in order, pre-order, post-order, level order, breadth first traversal. Then we have a concept of ancestor, We will find lowest common ancestor. Then we will learn to convert binary tree into doubly linked list. Actually, binary search tree to doubly linked list. Then we will learn to find minimum node minimum value, node with minimum value. Then kth largest smallest element in PST. So binary tree and binary search tree are mostly same only. मतलब binary search tree में एक property different होती है binary tree से. That's why. But इसमें बहुत questions बनते हैं binary search tree के. So now we have tried. So guys, what happens is most of us leaves it for interview, right? कि ये तो नहीं आएगा. But मुझसे ट्राई के क्वेश्चंस इतनी बार पूछे जा चुके हैं फैंग कंपनीज में. तो मतलब नेवर एवर लीव ट्राई फ्रॉम योर लर्निंग. So in try we will learn insertion, searching. Then we have these problems like design a dictionary, design a file system. So these are low level design problems which are also asked in interviews. So we will see it and try. Then we have heap. So we have different kind of heap like min heap, max heap. Then we have a sorting algorithm based on heap. Priority queue using heap, then median in a stream running integers. So we will look these problems. Then we have a graph. So guys, graph, binary tree, try and arrays, these are very commonly asked data structures in interviews. So please learn these. So in graph we have different kind of graphs like directed and undirected, BFS, DFS, topological sorting, detecting cycle, shortest path, MST. So we will look into these. So yeah. So now uh, आपको थोड़ा और info इस course के बारे में I will give you. So this course I have created in collaboration with Newton School. So you guys might be wondering what is Newton School. So let's see. So Newton School is it is a basically full stack development course. It will help you become a full stack developer, and it will not ask you for money till you get your job. See here, zero fee till placement. And like it offers various courses. I will show you. So it offers various courses, uh, and it provides you platform free of cost. Then it has doubt solving, and it has various free courses as well. You can see the list here: beginner's guide to Java, oops, introduction to data structures and algorithms. So in different languages like Python, JavaScript, SQL, and you can see the companies in which Newton School's students are working. You can see Snapdeal, Xiaomi, Lenskart, First Choice. So this is all about Newton School. And remember, guys, don't confuse it with the YouTube course. The YouTube course which I am teaching is absolutely free of cost. Uh, yeah, that's it about it. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and inform your friends about it. Happy learning.